Hello guys, welcome to this session. This is Gabriel from NgahTech Group. So today we are going to see how we can actually install MySQL in our system. So first of all, you have to type MySQL and on Google and you type OK. It's going to give you the first option where you have to click on it and wait. Once it loads, you can go to download and go down to this option here. We have MySQL community download. So what do we want to download here? We want to download MySQL installer for Windows. And then you can simply click here. You can click on this one. You click and download. Once you reach at this page, you click say no thanks, just start my download. So you click there and it's going to download it already. So far I have downloaded it already and I have installed, so I won't download again. And once your download is completed, you now go down to where it was downloaded, and then you simply click there. Let us make this view a bit large icon. So we have you can click on it. Let's say MySQL. Let me see which one is there. Okay, you simply click on that. We have this MySQL Workbench, or just click on any of this one. This one I'll click, and then you click on next later version of MySQL. This is already installed, so I've already installed it again. So you simply, this is the later version that I actually downloaded. So you go to next, and then try to put in your password, okay, and then put install. So I'm not going to continue the process. So once you are installed, you should be able to see your MySQL. You go to command prompt, then you type MySQL. You can see this MySQL command line client. So when you come here, you can just put your password, the one that you actually put when you were setting it up, and then you press enter. Bam, you are inside MySQL database. So that is how you can actually install this MySQL. Now the second way in which you can also run in command prompt, if I go to command prompt, maybe you want to type on command prompt, you are going to type MySQL space U for username, which is root, space P for password, and then you press enter. They will ask you to put the password, and once you put the password, you press enter. You are also inside through the command prompt. Now it might happen that you are actually your command prompt will tell you that okay, it doesn't recognize MySQL as an internal command. Don't worry, just simply go to your PC, go to your C drive where you install MySQL. We are going inside the program files. Then you will see MySQL there. Go there and then click on this, enter into bin, and click copy this line. Okay, you copy this, you come back to your Windows, you type the environment. Okay, so you have edit system environment variables, you go there, then you go to your environment variable, you click on this part, you go to edit, you add it there. Okay, you can see I already have it here added already. That's why it is recognized at the level of the command prompt. Same thing, you can come here again, you go to edit, then you add again. You see I already have it. Go to new, then you add. Okay, I already have it, so no need of doing that again. So is it here? So once you're done, you put okay, and okay, and you come again, you try, you go to your command prompt and you try, put that command, everything will be working perfectly, which is MySQL -u root -p, and then you enter, everything will be working perfectly. Okay, so you see that it's still showing here MySQL is not recognized as, and internal commands, so actually we have MySQL, and then that put a password, and everything will be working perfectly. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.